brought a bunch. I got my jelly. เอาขังอะ
Pero?
Hearts! Thank you, Cleon. That's a heart. Thank you. Gachi Vas. Hey, I think this hairstyle suits with the. You're like, oh, like a little mini, like a little. What do you call this? Bangs. Woo! Oh, that's a bit loud on full morning. It's a bit loud. I forgot. It's still 8 a.m. or 9? I think now it's 9 a.m. I'm spilling a lot of juice. It's going to attract the ants. No, seriously. You guys have to try this. I don't know. I love it when the drink is in a jelly form. Something about it. It's just so fun. Very yummy. So it's like, it's apple juice, but it's like apple jelly. So there's some juice inside, there's some jelly as well. That's why I'm chewing. Can get this in the true. But I only want to drink it when I'm in Japan. Not so much when I'm in Singapore. Okay, Quando grocery. I bit myself. How long is the drive? It's not that bad. It's about a 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours. Because I think I'll go slowly since, like I said, it's been a while since I. Might get lost. There's a possibility. I'm going the wrong highway. Yeah. Thank you. Better to arrive in one piece exactly. Like, you know, it's one thing to drive for myself. I'm also driving with 2 other streamers plus chat. Technically, Tanuki and Hube can drive too. They can drive too. But experience-wise, I think I have the most experience. We fill up the car. Yeah, it is. Yummy. Hey, if I could show you guys my license, I would right now. It's a gold license. Which means They will put a gold color on your license, which just shows you don't get. I haven't been ticketed in over 5 years, and I haven't gotten into any sort of accident. But that's also because I don't really drive when I'm in Japan, because I live in Singapore. But yes, normally if you have a gold license, that means your insurance is cheaper as well. Easy gold. Yeah. Yeah. It's almost 9:30 and they're still not here. Sheesh, these people making me wait. Where are you guys? We won't see Ginger for a while. We have time for... Yeah, honestly, I could have taken my sweet time. I could have had, like, another breakfast. And that's what I'm a bit scared of, Cleon. That's why I want to, like, not be too... Yeah, we'll see. There's ants! Let's go hunt for some hash brown. Ah, we really can hunt for hash. Oh! Oh! Made it.
I'm sorry, Izumi.
It's okay, but where's Tanuki?
She's there.
Oh, why with the suitcase?
We decided to walk.
Oh, that's why. Okay, they're here.
Hello.
And she's here.
I'm sorry, people.
Hello. Do you want to start yours soon?
Yeah.
Oh, like I mean,
I will stream it.
I'll leave it here, and then I'll go inside.
Okay. So what type of a car did you?
Corolla.
Corolla, no, the bigger one.
It's because you wanted the bigger one, so that was the only bigger one they had.
Okay.
I think because